Hello children. Yes, once again welcome back to our online classes. Yes, now we'll see in this section that is conversion lower units to higher units. Conversion of lower units to higher units. That's very simple. Yes, the metric measurements conversion from a lower to higher units. It's very simple. We learned already the conversion of higher units to lower units. What we done here there? Yes, we multiply that by 10, 100 or by 1000. We counted the places from a yes, that is here higher Hg to gram, then 1, 2 like this. Here that yes, decigram, decagram, then gram like this. We counted from left to right side. Here lower to higher means we should count from right side to left side and divide by a number. Divide by number 10, 100 and by 1000. To convert lower units to higher units, we divide the number, the given measurement, we divide the number by yes, the number by 10, 100 or by 1000. Here we need to divide. We know that is here already same example. Convert a smaller unit to the higher unit, that is 5000 millimeter. 5000 millimeter to meter. Yes, very simple. What here? Meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. We should need to convert from here to yes, lower to high. 3 places. Yes, how many places? From right to left you count here. 1, 2, 3. Then by 1000. The factor you divide by, not factor it is, you divide it by 1000. That is, we know that 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000. Yes, 1 centimeter is equals to, or 1 millimeter is equals to, 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000. Yes, it is in meter. Yes or no? Therefore, we can divide. Why? We know 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter. That then you take 1 millimeter is equals to yes, 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 meter. Then from this 5000 divided by 1000 we get yes. Therefore, 5000 millimeter is equals to 5000 millimeter is equals to yes, 5000 by 1000 meter. Converting smallest to biggest, smallest to lower units to greater units. Then divide it. Then we will get here 1000, not 10,000. 1000 one time, 1000 5 times. Then we can write 5 meter is the answer. 5 meter is the answer. Very simple. One more. Convert 7000 grams to kg. 7000 grams to kg. That is also same thing. Here we know that 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. 1 by 1000 kg. Then we can write 7000 gram is equals to 7000 by 1000 into kg. In that kg means 7 and 1. 7 kg. You can write 7 kg, 7000 gram. Like this conversion, very simple. You should count here kg to gram. Sorry, gram to kg here, gram. Here, decagram, heptagram, hectogram, kg and kilogram. You come from here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place you should come. From gram to kg you are converting 3 place, then divide by 1000. Yes or no? 2 places there means if you are converting to Hg, then divide by 100. If you are converting to that is decagram, then you divide by 10 only. Yes, here grams to this higher values. Write down these two examples. Write these two. We will solve the exercise. It's very simple exercise. Smallest higher to lower, multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Yes, here lower to higher, divide it. Divide by 10, 100. See the place, how many places you are converting. That is very important. Now here convert these as directed. Use the steps of measurements, metric measurements. Convert these as directed. Convert these as directed. Use the strips of metric measurements. A 5000 decigram. 5000 decigram to hectogram. Very simple. Decigram to hectogram. Decigram and gram, decagram, hectogram. Then how many places? 3 places. Here the gram, here the decigram, here decagram, and it is of hectogram, Hg. From here to 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. Then divide by 1000. The number you divide by 1000. Then write 1 decigram is equals to 1 decigram. Write 1 decigram is equals to 1 by 1000 hectogram. Therefore, we can divide 5000 decigram is equals to 5000 dividing by 1000, that is hectogram. Then it is of 5. 1s are 5. 5 hectogram. 5 hectogram is equals to 5000 decigram. Very simple one. Right answer 5 only 5 hectogram is written, only 5 is right. Simple one. One more. You can take this also. Now 2300 milligram. 2300 milligram. Convert to the higher unit, decigram. Milligram is last year, milligram to centigram to correct. Decigram means 2 places, milligram, centigram, decigram. Here to 1 place, 2 place, 2 place towards the left side. Then divided by 100. You should divide by 100. Then write here 1 mg is equals to, yes, 1 by 100 decigram. Then we can write 2300 mg is equals to 2300 divided by 100 decigram. Then 101 time 120, or you can write 0, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 23 is remains 23 decigram. 23 decigram is equals to, that is 2300 milligram. Simple. Yes, write down this one. Next, (6,000 grams to kg). 6,000 grams to kg. Very simple. 1 gram is equals to 1 by 1000 kg. Therefore, we can write 6,000 gram is equals to 6,000 by, yes, 1000 kg. This zeros, this 3 zeros, 6 by 1 is 6 kg. Then write 6 kg is the answer. Next, D, 800 centigram. 800 centigram to, yes, grams. 800 centigrams to grams. Yes, grams after decigram, after that centigram. Centigram to decigram, decigram to gram means 2 places. Therefore, we know that 1 centigram is equals to 1 by 100 grams. Then we can write 800 centigram is equals to 800 by 100 gram, that is 8 gram is the answer. Why 8 gram? Because here 100 one time, 100 8 time. 800 gram is the answer. Right here, this is 6 kg, this is 8 gram. Next, (700 milliliter to deciliter). 700 milliliter to deciliter. Yes, milliliter to centiliter, centiliter to deciliter. 2 place towards the left. Then we can write 1 milliliter is equals to 1 by 100 deciliter. Then we can write 700 milliliter is equals to 700 by 100 deciliter, that is 7 deciliter is the answer. 7 times 1 time, 7 deciliter. Next one. Write these in your textbook and your notebook. F, 8000 milliliter to liter. 8000 milliliter to liters. Yes. Then 1 milliliter is equals to, milliliter before, centiliter, centiliter before, yes, deciliter, deciliter after that, yes, liters. 1 by 1000 liter, 3 place, 1 milliliter. therefore 8000 milliliter is equals to 8000 by 1000 liter, that is 8 liters. How much? 8 liters. Answer is, we can write 8 liter. 8 liter is the answer. Next, G. Write this neatly in your textbook, and there is a space in your notebook also, page number 123. 9000 liter to kiloliter. 9000 liters to kiloliters, KL. Then 1 liter is equals to here L, DL, decaliter, hectoliter, HL, and after that kiloliter. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place means you divide by 1000 here. Then we know that 1 liter is equals to, that is 1 by 1000 kiloliter. Then therefore 9000 liter is equals to 9000 by 1000 kiloliter. Then 1s are 9s are. We can write 9 kiloliter. 9 kiloliter is the answer. Simple, no? Yes. G. H. 5000 decaliter. 5000 decaliter to convert, yes, kiloliter. Kiloliter means decaliter after hectoliter, hectoliter to kiloliter. Then only 2 place. We know that, yes, what? We know that 1 decaliter is equals to 1 by 100 kiloliter. Yes, sir. Deca to hepta, hepta to kilo. Then we can write, therefore 5000 decaliter to, yes, 5000 by 100 kiloliter. Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros, then 50 is remaining. 50 kiloliter is the answer. How much is the answer? 50 kiloliter is the answer. Write down these two. Write neatly in your notebook. After this, chapter I1. Very simple conversions these. Higher to lower multiply, lower to higher divide. That much only. 3000 meter is equals to dash kilometers. 3000 meters equals to dash kilometer. Yes, here 1 meter is equals to, we can write meter, kilometer means 3 place by 1000 kilometer. Therefore 3000 meter by 3000 by 1000 is equals to, yes, kilometer. That is equals to, here 1000 1 time 3 time. Then answer is 3 kilometer. What is the answer? 3 kilometer. Yes. Next, J. Very simple problems this. Up to O are given. I'll solve up to O, and the remaining you can take. One more question is there, that as a homework. If you get any doubt, you can give a call to me. I will clarify your doubts. Yes, J, 8000 millimeter to meter. 8000 millimeter to meters you convert. Yes, then 1 millimeter is equals to millimeter to, yes, centimeter, centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter. 3 place, 1 by 1000 meter. Then therefore 8000 millimeter is equals to 8000 by, yes, 1000, that is in meter. That is 8 meter is the answer. Yes or no? These 3 zeros gone. Only 8 by 1 is 8. J, K1. Yes, 900 centimeter to meter. 900 centimeter to meter. Very simple. That is 901 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100. Yes or no? Centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter. Then 1 by 100 meter. Then 900 centimeter is equals to 900 by 100 meter. That is 9 meter is the answer. We learned 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter by height. Yes, but here you should remember all this. Very simple. Yes or no? Okay. Write this. L thousand decimeter to meter. 1000 decimeter to how much meter? Yes, decimeter to meter means only one place. Here decimeter, here meter, here centimeter, here millimeter. Only one place means you divide by only 10, right? We know that 1 decimeter is equals to 1 by 10 meter. 1 by 10 meter, then 1000 decimeter is equals to 1000 divided by 10 meter. Here 1 0, here 1 0. Both 1 0 cancel. 100 by 1 is 100 is the answer. Then 100 meter. 1000 decimeter is nothing but 100 meter. Next. Very simple now. I hope you all are getting and you all solved in your notebooks. Collect the textbooks. Second term textbooks are available now. You can collect it. M 2000, yes, hectometer. 2000 hectometer to kilometer. Very simple this. Yes, hectometer, next only kilometer, then we divide by 10 only. 1 hectometer is equals to 1 by 10 kilometer. Then we can write 2000 hectometer is equals to 2000 by 10 kilometer. Then 1010 cancelled. Both the numerator and denominator. 200 kilometer is the answer. What is the answer? 200 kilometer is the answer. N 3000 grams. Write all this. Pause the video and you can write 3000 gram is equals to dash hectograms. 3000 grams dash hectogram. Yes, here write grams to decagram, decagrams to hectogram, two place. Then 1 gram is equals to 1 by 100 hectogram. Therefore 3000 gram is equals to 3000 by 100 hectograms. These two zeros, these two, then 30 by 1 is 30 hectogram. Yes or no? Grams to gram, it is a standard unit. Decagram, decagram to hectogram, hectogram to kilogram. Here only the hectogram, they are this much. Yes, and last one for the today's session, that is 7,000 liter. 7,000 liter convert into hectoliters. 7,000 liter to hectoliters. Yes, liters to decaliter, decaliter to hectoliter. Therefore, we know that 1 liter is equals to 1 by 100 hectoliter. Then 7,000 liters is equal to 7,000 by 100 hectoliter, hectoliter. Then 1000 one time, 1007 times 7. Sorry, you have divided by 100 only is there, not by 1000. 7,000 by 100. These two zeros, these two. 70 by 1 is 70. Then 70 hectoliter is the answer. Very simple now. About this conversion of higher to lower, lower to higher, means both are very easy. If you get any doubt about these conversions, you can give a call to me. I will clear your doubts. With this, I will conclude today's math class. Okay? Thank you.